Hey tech lovers and gadget geeks, welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into a recap of one of the most anticipated tech events of the year, its Show 2024, which just wrapped up at Suntec Singapore. From the 14th to the 17th of March, this event was a paradise for anyone hooked on the latest and greatest in tech. So let's break it down, shall we? First up, can we talk about the venue? Suntec Singapore never disappoints, but this year, its Show 2024 truly transformed the space into a tech enthusiast's dream. Walking in, you could feel the buzz excitement electrifying the air as more than 500 brands showcased their latest innovations. From ultra-sleek laptops to smart home devices that make you feel like you're living in the future, there was something for everyone. Now, onto the deals, because let's be honest, who doesn't love a good deal? The discounts were nothing short of unbelievable. We're talking top-tier gadgets slashed in price, making it the perfect time to upgrade your tech arsenal without breaking the bank. I personally snagged a couple of smart home gadgets that I've had my eye on for months, and I still can't believe the deals I got. But its Show 2024 wasn't just about buying the latest gadgets, it was a full-on experience. One of the highlights for me was the interactive displays. Brands really went all out this year, setting up immersive experiences that allowed us to not just see, but truly experience the capabilities of their products. From VR setups that transported you to different worlds to smart home setups that responded to a simple voice command, it was like getting a glimpse into the future. And let's not forget about the seminars and workshops. For someone who loves to stay ahead of the tech curve, these sessions were invaluable. Industry experts and innovators shared insights into upcoming trends, tips on making the most of your gadgets, and even sneak peeks into what's next in the world of technology. It was a fantastic opportunity to learn, ask questions, and get inspired. Of course, no event is complete without the people. The energy at its Show 2024 was contagious. Chatting with fellow tech enthusiasts, sharing tips and tricks, and just basking in our shared passion for all things tech was incredibly rewarding. It's this sense of community that really sets its show apart and keeps me coming back year after year. Before I wrap up, I want to give a shout out to the organizers and all the brands that participated. Putting together an event of this scale, especially one that runs as smoothly as its Show 2024 did, is no small feat. So kudos to everyone involved for making it an unforgettable experience. And there you have it, folks, at Show 2024 in a nutshell. If you missed out this year, I cannot stress enough how much you need to mark your calendars for next year's event. Trust me, it's an experience you won't want to miss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and event recaps. And if you were at its Show 2024, drop a comment below and let us know what your favorite part was. Until next time, Keep embracing the tech life, and I'll see you in the next video.
I hope you're enjoying the content on my channel. If you like what you see and want to keep up with all the latest videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Subscribing not only supports the channel, but also ensures you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. It's quick, it's free, and it really helps us out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.